Hello, my name is Madam Adeline Pagan and I teach English at St. Peter Claver High School. And today we will be discussing about articles, as you can see on the board. To begin with, the definition of an article is a word used to modify a noun. And when I talk about modify, it means to talk more about a noun. In other words, is a word which comes before a noun. So technically, an article is an adjective, of which any adjective is a word which modifies a noun. So these two words, an adjective and an article, they both modify a noun, but they have a slight difference. So the difference is, it is based on how each modifies a noun. An adjective modifies a noun through description. For instance, a big cat, or a short man. So the adjective big and short have described a cat and a man. But when we talk about an article, it modifies a noun through pointing it out. How? For instance, when I say a book, or when I say a pen, or an orange, I've pointed the book, the pen, and an orange. So now let's look on the kinds of articles. We have two kinds of articles, of which the first one is the definite article, and the second one is the indefinite article. So beginning with the first one, which is the definite article, this is an article which is used to refer to a particular person or thing. And we have only one definite article, which is the. So when I say the particular person, the word particular, another word for this word is specific. For instance, I'll give an example. I have a lot of apples, or I have a lot of oranges. Then there's a kind of an orange I want. Maybe it's big. I will say, can I have the orange? That means I will specify that there is one kind of an orange I want. So I will use the definite article, the. So from the definition, it refers to the particular person or thing. I've given some examples there. The book, you can say the table, the Indian Ocean, the river, that way. So the second type of the article is called the indefinite article. And another word for the word indefinite is something which is not clear. So it's an article which does not refer to any particular person or thing. So it is not specific. Like the example I gave, I have a lot of oranges. So I will say, can I have an orange? So I have not specified any orange. So therefore, these are the types of articles we have, of which the definite article, we have the article there, and the indefinite article, we have an and a. Therefore, as far as the articles are concerned, we have the definite article and the indefinite articles. And we have only one definite article, which is there, and we have two articles, which falls under the indefinite article, which is an and a. So now let's look at the selection of L or an. In other words, let's look where do we use L and where do we use an. So the selection of between A and an is determined by sound. This is a very, very key word to be used on how to select where to use A and where to use an. So there are some hints here to be followed. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. Not only a vowel, but a vowel sound. What do I mean? For instance, there are some examples here. An apple. Apple, A is a vowel sound. An orange, O is a vowel sound. So we have an apple, an orange, and an R. So most of the students always confuse. They see H here, but still we use an, where H is a consonant. We call it, this is a silent consonant because it is not pronounced. We say our, not how. That's why we use an. There are some other examples like honorable. It starts with H, but it is not pronounced. So coming to the article A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. For instance, a book, a table, a bag. Both B and pen, they are consonants. They start with a consonant sound, which is B and P. Also, A is used before a word beginning with a W sound. For instance, a $1 note. So one is a W sound. Also, a one-way ticket is also the same. We use A on those words. So it is also used with a word beginning with a W sound. Therefore, selecting where to use a and an, we look on the sound, meaning it's what you hear but not what you see. As I gave an example of the word our. Our starts with the H, which is the consonant, but then we use an, which is the indefinite article. Now let's look on the use of article a and an. Both a and an are used with the countable singular nouns. Countable, when you say countable singular nouns, there are those nouns which can be counted. For instance, books, pens, all those can be counted. The difference is an is used with only those which start with a vowel sound. For instance, an egg. So you cannot say an egg, that's wrong. We say an egg. Or you cannot say a book, it's a book. So that's the first use. The second use, an and a is used to refer to things which are not clear to us, or we call it indefinite. For instance, when I say a national party, I have not specified which kind of national party it is. So it is, I've just said a national party, okay? Or when I say a man is outside, I've not said Mr. Njike is outside, or Mr. Gilbert is outside. I've said a man is outside. Which man? Okay? So the third use is a and an are used with illness. For instance, we say, I have a stomach ache, and a stomach ache is illness. So when we talk about disease or illness, we use the article a. Then the last use we have here, it's used when describing someone's nationality. For instance, Mr. Butiko is an American. So when you say an, when you want to say that it's an American, we use an. So this is the nationality. So we use articles when we are discussing the what? The nationality of a person. So now let's look on the uses of article the, or sometimes it's called the definite article, as I said earlier. So the first one is, it is used with ships. For instance, MV Bukoba is one of the use. Then it is used before a certain expression of time. For instance, in the afternoon, in the morning, in the evening. So that's how it is used. Then it's used with the public bodies. For instance, the police, we use the. Then the things which are unique, for instance, the moon, the sun, so that's what we use there. Then the fifth one, it's used with the titles of the books and films. For instance, I've given one of the example of the title there, The Fundamentals of English, it's one of the book in ordinary level. Then another use is, it's used with the things mentioned for the second time. For instance, when I say, I bought a shirt and then an umbrella. Then when I want to talk about the shirt for the second time, I say the shirt is now old. So those are the uses of article there, as I've explained. For the recap, the different article there is used with both singular and plural nouns. For instance, I can say the book and the books, they're all correct. When we talk about the indefinite article a and an, they are used with only singular nouns. We say a book, but not a books. So that's the summary of the session. I've left the exercise here. You can do the exercise and then leave the comments below. Thank you for watching and stay safe.